Focus viewers, let's get you the breaking update coming in from the state of Karnataka. There seems to be an open rift in Congress over the chief ministerial space. Well, that is what is, coming out of the state. A political storm has been brewing in Karnataka as reports of an open rift in the Congress over the chief minister's post gain momentum. The party has called for the confusion to be resolved, with sources saying that the High Command will take necessary action. In fact, Karnataka's Home Minister has weighed in as well, downplaying the reports of a leadership change and asking people not to pay heed to rumors. He added that no election is required for any change, and if a change is needed, the party will handle it internally. That's the latest that is coming in from the state of Karnataka.
ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಚುನಾವಣೆನೇ ಬೇಕಾ? ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ನವರು ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಚುನಾವಣೆಯ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಉಪಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಅವರು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರವಾಹ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಗಮನ ಹರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಈ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿವೆ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಅನೇಕ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿದಾವೆ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಗೆಹರಿಸತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಯಾರಿಟಿ, ಆದ್ಯತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕೇ ವಿನಃ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಅದು ಇದು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಗಮನ ಹರಿಸುವ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ.
All right, let me go across to my colleague Neha, who is joining us with more on this. Neha, not the first time that such this kind of report is coming out of the state, that of a leadership change. We've seen that in the past, but interestingly, this news, this information doesn't seem to die down, that of a rift within the Congress party as far as the chief minister is concerned.
Well, that's right, Shreya. We've been seeing how, the past couple of months now, if we could say, that there have been talks of a change of leadership or a change of guard here in the state of Karnataka. The High Command has issued multiple notices to various leaders to not talk about this issue, but yet again, somehow, the issue just keeps refusing to die down. In the latest, now you have the Deputy Chief Minister who's waiting here, who's also urged the High Command of the Congress Party to intervene and to ensure that this matter is put to rest once and for all. Remember, of course, it's not just Dr. G. Parmeshwara, the Karnataka Home Minister, but PWD Minister Mr. Satish Jagioli also, in fact, saying the same, that the High Command should intervene, that there should be an end to this discussion, because it's only, going on to ultimately raise questions that bring embarrassment to the Congress Party in the state.
That's right, Neha. Thanks very much for joining us at the moment, getting us those details.